Why online PDF tools fail versus manual Photoshop editing. Editing scanned documents with Google Docs, Canva, or online PDF tools often results in font changes, layout loss, and white spots or blurring in the background. You'll notice it when you zoom in or print. We work completely manually in Photoshop. Original font matching. Background and watermark safe editing. Natural shadow, noise and paper texture blending. Works on PDF, JPG, PNG, invoice, utility bill, paystub, contract, etc. Fast delivery. 30 minutes, 2 hours. 100% confidentiality. Live demo available. WhatsApp, +880178 871 6077. Website, tuner.com. We do not edit any passports, driving licenses or government ID cards.